Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. I'm here today to share with you some supplies that are going into my shop. By the time you see this video, they will be posted in my Ko-fi shop. So that is Yvette's Junk Journal Shop on Ko-fi. And these will be under the journal supply section. And these items are brought to us today by Dawn Orahood from Scrapbook Sage. If you're not familiar with Dawn or her channel, that's how you can find her on YouTube, is Scrapbook Sage. I'll put a link in the description box to her channel. And Dawn and I are partnering together with 4 other ladies for our hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, where we have all committed to making 1 junk journal a month, posting 2 videos about that journal, and it's been a lot of fun. So join us as we do that. Dawn also lives here on the Oregon coast. We're about 3 hours away from one another, so we meet halfway occasionally and have lunch together, and then she gives me supplies for the shop or journals. And I do have a couple of her journals coming up in another video, but in today's video this is just a supply video. So I've got a couple things here that are super exciting. You're going to love these things. So the first one we're going to look at here is a wallpaper pouch that she's made. It is stitched on a sewing machine, and it has some ephemera in it. It is called Rose Digital, and these are her handmade ephemera items here. So this is going to be a little bit of a louder video. I have some plastic and things that'll be making noise, so stay tuned because we have exciting things coming up. So she has these little pieces here that you can just pop into your journal, ready to go. Beautiful little ruffle on the side, and all in the pretty pink and rose theme. So again, the Rose Digital Kit, you'll find this under the handmade ephemera section in my shop, or you can just type in Dawn and all of her items will come up. So there's our first item. The second item is these are some pages. There are 50 in here, 50 pages of stamp collecting. So let's get this open. Sorry about the noise there, but unavoidable. So I'm just going to quickly flip through some of these so you get an idea of what it is that you're getting in there. Again, there are 50 of these. Let me turn this over so that I'm actually flipping through the pages here. So really cool. You could cut these out. You could use the page as it is. I think they're kind of cool that you could cut them out and like make charms or something like that. Would be really cool. So there's that. That's 50 pages in there. And then the next item that I have, or items, I'm really excited about. So Dawn has put together these kits. There are 3 available, and as you can see, they each have a different theme. So I'm going to go through each one of these. So the kits include the cover that she's made that's ready to go. It includes coffee dyed paper, Scrapbook Sage digitals, so she does her own digis and she has those available in her Ko-fi shop, so I'll put a link in the description for that as well. She has book pages, handmade ephemera, including her famous Little Bit pack. I love using those. And she has various textiles in each one of these. So I'm going to pull these out. I'm hoping I can go through each one for you guys so you can get an idea. But you're going to want to check these out on my website. Ko-fi allows me to take 10 photos, so I'll try to get really good photos of these. So she's got really nice quality paper here that she's printed her own digitals on. And so as you can see, Dawn is multi-creative. I love this one. So you get all of these pages. Basically, you're just going to cut these or fold these in half, and you can be ready to go with your one signature journal here. And then she also has some ephemera pages here. Beautiful kit, Dawn. And then here is the cover. So basically you're going to fold this over. You have the cover is already done. You have a pocket here on the front and back. She's reinforced it with fabric down the middle. And then the front is just fabric and lace covered, and then you can put an ephemera piece from here. You can layer them, you can do whatever you want. So basically fold this in half, fold the pages in half, and then you're going to sew those into the cover. So here's the exciting thing. In August, for my hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024, I have taken one of these kits and I'm going to use it in combination with some other items from other supply artists in my shop. And I'm going to show you guys in August how you can take this kit like this or items from my shop and make your own journal. So that'll be a lot of fun. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and then Dawn got these kits together and I'm like, hey, this is great. This is what I'm going to do. So she's also included some pages, as she said, some coffee dyed paper here, some other pages so you can coordinate these and put those in your journal as well. She's got some textured paper there. I don't know if this is braille or piano paper. I'm very bad at that. And then she also has some images here, some little ephemera pieces that are already made. So this would be a great way for you to jump into junk journaling. Kind of already thought out a little bit, but lots of room for you to create however you like. And then she's got these fabric pieces in here, and then here's her little bits that you just can use these on a tag. You can put them on the edge of the page. You can use them as a tab. There's lots of ways to use those. So this is the first kit here. And again, that is called Teal Ballet Dreams. Okay. So I'm going to set these aside, and I'm not going to get these mixed up. So I didn't want to put them back into the plastic here on camera because that's just too loud. Okay, so the second one we're going to look at is called Fly Away. Oh, wrong side here. Okay, so again, all these digitals are created by Dawn. And I will put these kits back together the way she has them so that you guys can just grab it and start creating. So what a fun journal this is going to be, right? Ephemera pages, journal pages. And then she's got your cover here. Inside she's got it covered as well with, and then sewn all the way around. Here's your additional pages to put in there. Cute. And some coffee dyed paper. Extra pages. A little bit more coffee dyed. That's really great for this journal. I like how she's coordinated the colors too. So she's taken a lot of the thinking out of it, but left enough there for you to create on your own. Extra ephemera here. She's got some lace, some handmade ephemera, And then a package of her little bits in that beautiful blue that's going to coordinate so well. And then this cute little red ribbon for your tie. So she has taken really all the guesswork out of this for you. Okay, so our next one here, this is our last one, is called When the Heart is Young. So I do plan to do, like I said, I'm going to do this in my August challenge journal, and then I do plan on doing a craft with me segment as well. So hopefully I can do a series and just kind of show you how we can take this, take a few other items from my shop, and put together your own journal. So beautiful images here on this one as well. Dawn is really doing great on her digitals, so that is a whole different creative outlet. I've been playing around with that a bit, and I do enjoy it, though I can't dedicate too much time to it. But she has really created some beautiful kits if you're not familiar with her shop. Here's our journal cover. Inside she has this pocket in here ready to go. And then here's our pages in this one. So pretty. Music page. A little bit more coffee dyed paper. Beautiful floral images. A bit more coffee dyed. Then we have smaller pieces. It's so cute. Pretty coordinated pages. Ephemera, fabrics. She's got a ruffle there. Belly band or page edge, and then more of her little bits. So what a fun kit that's going to be. So you guys, I hope you can join me as I share how I'm going to use the kit that I purchased from Dawn in my upcoming video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. That really helps me. Also, if you comment, I love to comment back. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here for a while, I really do appreciate your support and your encouragement and helping me and all the other artists in my shop bring items to you that we love to create. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.